Hi friends, welcome back to our third video on Rubik's Cube. Now in this video we are going to solve the second layer. In my previous videos I had explained you about the basics of the Rubik's Cube. Then we cracked the first layer. Now in this video we are going to crack the second layer. So after watching this video, don't forget to watch my last video, that will be the third layer. So if you watch this and don't watch the next video, there is no point in watching this. So for doing the second layer, I would like to recall in my previous video, I had explained you how to solve the first layer, that is all the light colors in the lowest level. Now our aim is to achieve this, that is two layers where both the layers will have similar colors 1 and 2. So we will be moving from this stage to this stage. So how do we do that? This was my previously cracked cube wherein we had already cracked the first layer. So in order to solve the second layer, we need to understand two basic formulas which has got 9 alphabets. For doing this, we might come across two options, option 1 and option 2. Option 1, the formula is R U R U R U dash R dash U dash R dash. Option 2, the formula is R dash U dash R dash U dash R dash U R U R. So when do we use option 2 and when do we use option 1? That I will explain you soon. So to start with, please come close. So first, in order to start the second layer, we need to check, let's say the second layer has got a red. We need to check where is the same red in the third layer. Yes, we have got a red here. So all we do is twist it and align and make sure all the three reds are in the same line. Then you see what is on top of red, that is blue. Okay, so then when you check the blue is on the top and red is on the side, then you need to check whether this blue is in your front or it is in your back. I mean, yes, we've got a blue here. It means this blue is in the front. If the blue is in the front, we need to go for option 2. Option 2 is R dash U dash R dash U dash R dash U R U R. So what has happened? See, now we've got the reds and the blues aligned. Similarly, repeat this till you get the whole thing. Okay, now we will focus on the blue. Now we have got blue in the middle. So let us align blue with the third layer. So if there is blue here and there is orange on the top, then you need to check whether this orange is in your front or the back. Oh, we just noticed similarly like previously, the orange is again in the front. It means again we need to go for option 2. R dash U dash R dash U dash R dash U R U R. So what has happened? So previously reds had aligned, now blues and oranges have aligned. Now similarly, go for the next step. So we've got orange here. So let's try to see where orange is. And yes, I have aligned the 3 oranges. What is on the top? Green. Again, green is in the front. So again, we need to go for option 2. That's R dash U dash R dash U dash R dash U R U R. So what has happened? The greens have aligned, oranges have aligned, blues have aligned, and now only this corner has to align. We need to get one more red here. For doing this, what is left over? Yes, we have got a green left over. So, green left. So, you twist it and align this green. Again, the option 2 applies because we have got the red here and red in the front. So, you must be confused why we are not going for option 1. There are many times also the red might come in the front. If let's say red comes in the front, then you go for this formula, that's R U R U R U dash R dash U dash R dash. But coincidentally, for all the 4 times we have got colors in the front and we have got for option 2. So we are going for option 2, R dash U dash R dash U dash R dash U R U R. So now we have cracked the second layer. See, all the greens, all the oranges, all the blues, all the reds. So if you don't get a chance wherein you don't have to use option 1, don't worry. There are times you will get this option where the colors matching will be all sometimes in the back also. Then you go for option 1. The formula is anyhow there, you can always copy it and use it. So if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my video, and don't forget to watch my final video that will be solving the third layer. Thank you.